What's up, everybody? Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make those glints in the eyes. The eyes. Basically, I've just got a character here. I've got it on scene only, and if I render it, it's just completely and utterly dark. Okay? So, how do we begin making glints in the eyes? So, I start off by making a where is it? Light. I make a new point light. I just hit accept, and I bring that light to the top. Okay, that's all I do. That's all I do. Now, what I do is I always turn it into a rectangular. Where is it? Point over here. So under settings, or I take a rectangular. And that's it. Now, a rectangular works like where the blue axis is. Wherever the blue axis is, the opposite of it is where it's shining. So the blue axis, it's shining the opposite way. So if I just bring this back like this, and I hit the renderings, okay? The renderings, Ari, hit the renderings. You're going to see a big light thingy there, whatever. Let's just get this out of the way. Rectangular lights always show the kind of the source. Jesus is your source. And there we go. You start getting those glints in the eyes. Okay. Now, here's the beauty of this. I mean, let's just up its lumens just a little bit so we can see this a little clearer. But if you're looking to make these cool glints in the eyes, this is how you do it. And then, once you render just the eyes out, you can get rid of the lights and just render out your other images and then just paste these lights over it. Make sure you don't move the camera or whatever, but that's how you do it. Now look, these are rectangular lights. You can see the little squares in the eyes, right? Alright. Now check this out. Here's where the power of this comes into. I can take the height down, say, to about half, and I can take the width all the way up. So now you start getting these censored eyes. Now look at the glints you start getting. You see, you can control the shape of the glint in the eye with rectangular lights. You can either make them long, short, whatever. Let's make this like 4, mate. Let's make that like 4, and let's make this like 30 or something. All right. And you can start seeing how different, because this is like a long shape now going up and thin. Look at the glints now. Very different. Very different, Ari. Very different. I'm going to make it 30. And then Ari, it's right in the good face. Where do you turn this off? Like render emitter. Let's put that off so we can see what's happening. Now you get the squares in the eyes. Ari. And once again, you can change this to maybe a disc if you want to. A disc, Ari. And now it's got to reflect the disc, Ari. So look at that, Ari. Now you get these beautiful little things. If you're looking for like a really nice portrait or a model shot or whatever, this is a very cool way of doing this. And remember, you don't have to take the lighting on the actual character. Once you're done with this, you can delete this light, set up your own lighting for the entire character. Make sure that you've locked the camera off, though. And then all you have to do is take the render of the eyes, and you can cut them out and put them in comp the way you want them into your any kind of lit scene. So the rest of the body will maintain the lighting that you wanted on it, and the actual eyes, well, you've got those nicely done, right? So you can make them as strong as you want, or all of this can be done within GIMP or Photoshop. Brightness, contrast, you can move the light where you want. Let's take this back down to rectangular, and let's take the height. To like something like maybe like a 3, mate, or something like that. And then you've got these long. Let's make that about 50. Beautiful. Remember, rectangular lights are awesome, man. You can get such a beautiful diffuse on anything. And there we go. Look at that, mate. Look at that. If you want, mate, you can just move it up a little. You can position the little eye glints wherever you want. And this is how I get my eye glints. This is how I get them. This is exactly how I get them. You can move them all the way to the side if you want, love. Look at this, love. Move them all the way to the side. Do whatever the hell you want with these bastards. And that is how I get my eye glints. Just one more thing I want to point out. I can duplicate that light. I can duplicate it, and I can move it. Where is this wee bastard? I can move it. I can move it like more like this way. Alright, so I've got two of these lights now, and I can set them up differently, so you can get multiple specks within the eye. Okay, you can get there we go. I've got a double speck there. I can do this. I can put this a little bit lower down, something like that. You know, play with it. It's totally fine. Play with it. There we go. I've got one on the top, one on the bottom. I can mess with the you know, make that one like that one like that. I can say, all right, this one needs to be a little one like that. It's like a little glimmer. You say that. So I made one of them very small, the other one big. Control your, you can control them, which is wicked. I can add as many as I want to, and you can just get these absolutely insane kind of lightings. And remember, these what are they called? Rectangle lights. They are beautiful for diffuse lighting. Look how beautiful the lighting starts to look. Okay, they're incredible for diffuse lighting. Okay, I hope this helps, guys, and have a sehr, sehr cooles Wochenende, ja, oder? Have a good weekend, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.